way back to Dylan Art in 44, and we're back underway. Green flies, and we say go. Down the back chute, here comes Justin Vogel in 10. Going to make a battle side by side. They are door to door in turn number 4 for the front spot. Satter out front by 0.03 seconds. Hardly blink your eye that fast between 1 and 2. Justin Vogel, Justin Pogones, they're running 2 and 3. Satter's 67, your leader, but side by side, there goes another shot at the race lead for Justin Vogel in 10. Has he got it? Looks like he, yes, has taken the race lead, but now that lead short-lived as Satter goes at it side by side once again. Satter back in the race lead as they traded it. Down the back chute they go. Here comes Justin Vogel once again. Vogel with the new advantage for the second time around. Going to try to lead him past the stand and